Hello, and welcome to our singing assembly for early years. Let's start by putting our hands up in the air and going, hello, high, hello, low, hello, high, hello, low, hello, loudly, hello, quietly, hello, loudly, hello, quietly, hello, slowly, hello, fast, hello, slowly, hello, fast, hello, popcorn, hello, chewing gum, hello, popcorn, hello, chewing gum. Okay, we're going to learn a song today all about how wonderfully different we all are. Have a listen to the words and look at the actions. My hair's black. That's the action for black, okay? My hair's black and your hair's yellow. If you put your finger there between your thumb and your first finger, it looks like the letter Y, which makes the sound Y, the Y of yellow. My hair's black and your hair's yellow. My eyes are brown. Can you do that? Brown. And yours are blue. There's no one on earth that's quite like me, and no one that's quite like you. Should we try that again? My hair's black, and your hair's yellow. My eyes are brown, and yours are blue. There is no one on earth who's quite like me, and no one who's quite like you. It's true, isn't it? We're all different. Isn't it wonderful? But if you want to have a little paint pot, because we're going to paint, if you want to paint a picture of everyone, can you imagine that? Painting a picture of everyone in the world. If you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. Wow! Every colour. Can you imagine that? I'm trying. I'm looking out at my garden at the moment that's full of different coloured flowers, and there's quite a few colours there, but not every colour under the sun. But if you want to paint every human being on the planet, you're going to need all the colours there are. How fantastic. If you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. That's how we do the word colour, like that. If you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. Have a listen and see if you can join in with the actions and the words if you're feeling very clever. Here comes the tune. My hair's black and your hair's yellow. My eyes are brown and yours are blue. There's no one on earth that's quite like me, and no one that's quite like you. But if you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. If you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. Should we do it again? My eyes, oh, my eyes. Hold on a second, Mrs. Grayson. Not my eyes, my hair. My hair's black and your hair's yellow. My eyes are brown and yours are blue. There's no one on earth that's quite like me, and no one that's quite like you. But if you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. If you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. Let's have another go at it. Here we go. See if I can get all the actions right and sing it at the same time. Here we go. My hair's black and your hair's yellow. My eyes are brown and yours are blue. There's no one on earth that's quite like me, and no one that's quite like you. But if you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need every colour under the sun. If you want to paint a picture of everyone, you need another song about colours, our song about rainbows. I Can Sing a Rainbow. Do you remember this one? Let's have a go. Oh, I think that's going to be too high. I might do it in a lower key. That's better. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Listen with your eyes, listen with your eyes, and sing everything you see. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing along with me. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. There you are. We are living in a rainbow world full of colours. Isn't it wonderful? How about we sing our kangaroo song? Are you ready to get up and do some jumping and some hopping and some skipping? Here we go. I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high, I touch the sky, and all day long I skip along and sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. How about we try doing it really spiky, really popcorny? I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high, I touch the sky, and all day long I skip along and sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Oh gosh, that was difficult. Should we try a chewing gummy? I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high, I touch the sky, and all day long I skip along, sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. That was strange. I don't think I like it, chewing gummy. How about we try it? Oh, we could go slowly. Here we go. I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high, I touch the sky, and all day long I skip along and sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Oh, I don't think I liked it slow, really. How about we just went a teeny tiny little bit faster? Are you ready? I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high, I touch the sky, and all day long I skip along and sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jumpity. Yeah, I've finished. Have you not finished? Oh, I was very quick, wasn't I? Maybe we better have a rest after that. How about we have some sleeping bunnies? Can you lie yourself down? Be a sleeping bunny. Here we go. See the little bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall I come and gently wake them with a merry tune? Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up now, hop little bunnies, hop, 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 hop little bunnies, hop, 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 hop little bunnies, hop, 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 hop little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Oh, back to sleep again. Are you asleep? Are you lying down? See the little bunny sleeping till it's near to sleep, little sleepy bunnies. You must be tired. You ready? See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall I come and gently wake them with a merry tune? Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up now, jump little bunnies, jump, jump, jump. 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 Oh my goodness me, I'm quite worn out. Well, I think we better do our goodbye. Shall we put our hands up in the air and go, goodbye high, goodbye low, goodbye high, goodbye low, goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly, goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly, goodbye slowly, goodbye fast, goodbye slowly, goodbye fast, goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum, goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum. Have a great day. See you soon.